In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit outline mode in Adobe Illustrator and return to seeing your full artwork with fills, strokes, images, and more. If you've ever found yourself stuck looking at a line-drawn version of your work and wondering how to see all the glorious details again, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about why you'd be in outline mode. This mode is incredibly useful for precision work, where you might need to see the wireframe or the skeleton of your design without the distraction of colors and effects. However, when it's time to review your artwork in all its colorful glory, you'll want to switch back to the full preview. The easiest way to switch back is by navigating through the menu. Go to the top of the screen and click on View. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Preview. Depending on your version of Illustrator, it might also be labeled GPU Preview. Click on this, and voila! Your artwork should now appear in full detail, exactly as you've designed it, complete with all the fills and strokes intact. If you're shaking your head thinking, "That was easy," hang on, because there's an even quicker way to do it. For those of you who love shortcuts and working with keyboard commands, there's a quicker method that doesn't require navigating through the menu. Simply hold down the Control key if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac OS system. While holding it, press the Y key. This keyboard shortcut toggles between outline mode and preview mode instantly. It becomes a real time saver, especially if you frequently switch between different views for finer control over your design work. Remember, learning and mastering these shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow and enhance your efficiency in Adobe Illustrator. Now, this might seem like a small tip, but mastering these little tools and tricks can make a world of difference when you're deep into a complex project and need to keep momentum. If you're still not seeing your artwork as expected after trying these methods, ensure that nothing else is hiding your layers or affecting visibility. Double-check to make sure your layers are not locked or hidden. Often, the smallest thing can affect how your work appears on the screen. Feel free to pause the video if you want to try these methods yourself or rewind to review a step. So, the next time you're mired in outline mode and eager to see the fruits of your creative endeavors in their full form, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, practice makes perfect.